How to fix iPhone battery draining while charging. Let's get started. To ensure your iPhone is charging properly, make sure to use Apple's original accessories that were shipped with the phone, or make sure you use the MFI certified iPhone charger. Now heading towards solution, open your settings app, scroll down and go to the option battery. Now head towards the option battery health and charging. Now over here you're going to find this section of optimize battery charging. You have to toggle off for this option. Tap on turn off. Likewise, next solution, while charging, don't perform any activities and also turn off all running apps. Make sure you close all the apps in this way. Also make sure you turn off background app refresh. For that, open settings, scroll down, head towards the option general, go to the option background app refresh. Now at the very top, you'll find the option of background app refresh. You have to toggle off for that option. If these solutions fails, there might be issue with your iPhone's battery itself. You can confirm it by checking iPhone's battery health. For that, open your settings app. Now scroll down and go to the option battery. Tap on the option battery health and charging. Now over here, you're going to find this section of maximum capacity. In the case your iPhone's capacity is below 90%, you have to change your iPhone's battery, and with that your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone battery draining while charging. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.